Hey guys, it's Jean here from Beginner-To-Geek. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to use the cool feature of Windows 7 called Aero. This feature is used to make it faster to sort through multiple open windows by being able to switch through windows fast and make windows full screen. There are also a few other uses too, and they'll be shown throughout this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I have multiple windows open, like Windows Media Player, Windows Explorer, and Firefox, or an internet browser. And say you want to only see two of the main windows you're using. What you can do is hold down the left mouse button on the top of one of the main windows and simply drag or move your mouse to the side of the screen while holding down the left mouse button. You'll see a see-through rectangle appear. Once you see that, let go of your left mouse button and the window will instantly resize to fill half of your screen, like so. You can do the exact same to another window, but just to the other side. So if I try on the Windows Media Player, hold down the left mouse button, drag it to the other side of the screen, see the rectangle, and let go. And it will fill your whole screen. This is very helpful for, say, you're needing to look back and forth at two different windows, and you can keep them both open without having to minimize all the time. Another cool trick with Aero is that if you use the same technique as I just showed, but instead of putting the window to the side, drag it up to the top of the screen. This will make the window fill the whole screen, but you can also double click on the top of the window to make it full screen too. So let me demonstrate that. So hold your left mouse button on the top of the window, and instead of to the side, you move it to the top and let go, and it'll make it full screen. But also, as I said before, you can double click on the top here and it will make it full screen. Another one of the Aero features is if you have many windows open and you want to get to your desktop quickly, a way to do that is by putting your mouse cursor down to the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll see a small rectangle at the end. When you hold your mouse there, it'll make all the windows that are open see-through. So all you need to do is left click and it will minimize all of your open windows, like so. Just like the shake feature before, if you click that little rectangle again, it'll reopen all your windows that were just minimized. Okay, now for the coolest looking feature of Aero. This feature will show all of your windows either open or minimized in a column looking form. The way to use this feature, all you do is hold down on the keyboard is the Windows key. This key will either have 4 squares on it, which is the Microsoft Windows logo, or it will have the word Start on it. This key is on the very bottom row of your main keyboard, near the space bar. So what you'll do is hold down the Windows key, and then you'll want to press the Tab key. The Tab key is right next to the Q key, and just above caps lock. So on the very left hand side of your keyboard, you should see the key saying tab. So what you'll do is hold down the Windows key and press tab. Once you've got to this point, every time you press tab, it'll scroll through. So once you find the window that you want, so say you want Firefox, so the window that's at the very front will be the window that you want. Once you've got that, let go of the Windows key on your keyboard and it'll open that one up as the main screen. So if you did it as a desktop, you'll be able to see that it opens up just as desktop. This is a really good feature to find the window that you want if you've got lots of windows open. There is also another way to do this too. Although it's not a part of the Aero features, I'll still show it. So the way to do this is pretty much the same, but instead of holding the Windows key, hold the Alt key. Now the Alt key is right next to the Windows key, which is very convenient. So hold down the Alt key and press tab. So this will bring up a bar-like form in the middle of the screen, and it shows all your open and minimized windows. To scroll through, you do the same as before. You keep pressing tab, but in this one it'll have the window that you want, and it'll be highlighted with a blue sort of background. Also, when you go over the window that you want, it'll show it, and all the other windows will be minimized or see-through if they're already open. So to choose the window you want, simply go over to it so it's highlighted and let go of the Alt key. I will make a part 2 for this video, but the part 2 will be all of the keyboard commands of Aero. This is Jean-Luc from Beginner-To-Geek. Like and subscribe if you like this tutorial. Pop a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions about this tutorial. And also, if you want, give a suggestion if you want to see any future tutorials that you want to know about. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.